Welcome back, guys, to another day in Christine's Jamaican kitchen. Guys, Kimberly's gonna do most of the talking today. I went to the dentist, had a deep clean on half of my mouth, and I was numb forever.
You're overreacting.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
It's so many so many injection I got in my mouth. It was ridiculous. But anyways, today we are gonna just whip up something really quick, which is coconut shrimp cooked down with spaghetti. But before we get started, if you haven't already,
click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when we get new recipes.
You know what to do. And this is all my ingredients that I need for my dish today.
Black pepper, parsley flakes, oil, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, garlic herbs, allspice, paprika, garlic powder, coconut milk, onion, thyme, scallion, garlic, lime, and of course your seasoned shrimp. Alright, let's go wash our hands.
Guys, I always do the uncooked shrimp, and I get the one that is already peeled and stripped. So all I have to do is wash it really good with my lime. Sometimes I put a little vinegar to wash it also. But as you can see, I have all my powder seasoning, which I always have the measurements in the description box below, and I have some of my vegetables, which is my onion, garlic, thyme, right here, scallion. So you can see how small I chop my scallion right there, really small. This is the onion. And the thyme, what I did, I also have the garlic in there. The thyme, what I did is I just pick the little leaves off. So I don't use the stick, which is this part. I just pick just the little leaves. If you could look and see, just like this. So I have all of that sitting on it. But I just wanted you guys to see how tiny I have my vegetable chopped. So I'm just gonna add it to my shrimp and we're gonna start cooking.
You're making me nervous with that knife. Child, what you gonna do with it? We're gonna add 1/3 cup of oil to the pot.
This is your preheated pot that you had preheated. So now you're gonna add your seasoned shrimp. So you're doing your stirring motion, so you're sauteing. Turn my flames back up to high.
So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter to this pot really quick.
We always have leftover your powdered seasoning. I didn't use all of it to marinate my shrimp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little on top. And I'm gonna leave some more for later on when I add my spaghetti. After 10 minutes, you want to take it off the flame, set it aside, and you want to bring in your other pot.
Our spaghetti is already done, and now we're gonna put the coconut milk into the pot.
And you see you have a little bit left in your can. I always just put a little bit of water in it, stir it around, and add it. Back home we said you wash out the can. So that's what I'm doing right about now. And I'm gonna turn my flames down to medium. When it comes to a boil, add some more of your powdered seasoning. Then you're gonna add your shrimp.
I have a question. Where does the coconut milk come from?
From the coconut. So usually the coconut has this little meat in it, and you have the dry coconut, and you have the one that they call the jelly coconut that you could just eat it straight out. So the dry one is really hard. So what they do, they take it out of the shell and they grate it, or they cut it up and blend it and add some water and juice it, and that's where the milk comes from.
Okay.
Just gonna add this sauce to it. I don't want it to waste this nice juicy sauce. Turn my flames back up. I'm ready to add my spaghetti, my cooked spaghetti. Just have to mix it in, stir it in, let it soak up all that juice. flames. Let's add a little bit more of your seasoning on top. And guess what, guys? Guess what time of the day is this? Kimberly, can you guess?
No.
Dinner done, dinner ready.
I could have said that. I totally know what you were saying.
Guys, dinner done, dinner ready. You know, if you have some cheese, you can always sprinkle some cheese on top if you're a cheese lover. I'm gonna go in, see my spaghetti in there and my shrimp, and I have a little parsley going on top. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna dig in, but I can't dig too much in because, as I said before, half of my mouth is out of commission.
I just want to say something really quick. I don't think you trust me with the stove, Mom, because I remember one day I put a fork on the stove and I put on my hand and just to test how hot the stove was for some odd reason, and I burnt myself. I still have the burnt mark. It's right here. But anyways,
let's just dig right in. I'm so scared. Guys, this is so good. Kimberly?
the flavor, the concoction is telling my taste buds that this is immaculate. An immaculate dish.
Guys, this is a quick, easy, simple dish to try. But guys, I will catch you in the next video. So me gone yam me dinner. Bye. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.